Arch Linux and NixOS are two powerful Linux distributions with different design philosophies. Arch emphasizes simplicity and user control with a rolling release model. NixOS uses a declarative approach for system configuration, ensuring reproducibility and atomic upgrades. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both distributions. Arch Linux is a lightweight, flexible distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It follows a rolling release model, providing the latest software updates continuously without major version upgrades. Installation is minimal and manual, requiring users to configure their system from the ground up. Arch provides a base system without unnecessary additions, letting users build exactly what they need. Strengths include cutting-edge packages, extensive documentation through the Arch Wiki, and a strong community. NixOS is a unique Linux distribution centered on the Nix package manager, which enables declarative, reproducible system configurations. Users define their entire system state in a single configuration file. System changes are atomic and can be rolled back easily, reducing the risk of broken setups. NixOS uses isolated package environments, preventing dependency conflicts and enabling multiple versions of software to coexist seamlessly. Updates are transactional, avoiding partial upgrades and improving system stability. NixOS requires learning its configuration, language, and concepts. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and a smaller user base compared to mainstream distros. Key comparison points: configuration. Arch requires manual installation and configuration. NixOS uses a declarative configuration file for the entire system. Package management. Arch uses Pacman with the AUR for a wide range of software. NixOS uses the Nix package manager with isolated environments and rollback capabilities. Release model. Arch is a rolling release with continuous updates. NixOS is a stable release with atomic upgrades and rollbacks. Learning curve. Arch requires hands-on system knowledge. NixOS requires learning the Nix language and concepts. Reproducibility. Arch offers manual control without built-in NixOS provides reproducible system configurations across machines. Target user. Arch suits experienced Linux users who want latest software and full control. NixOS suits developers, administrators, and users who prioritize reproducibility, automation, and stable configurations. Conclusion. Arch offers a hands-on experience with a rolling release, perfect for users seeking the latest software and full customization. NixOS prioritizes declarative system management with atomic upgrades and easy rollbacks, making it well-suited for developers or administrators managing multiple machines. The choice depends on whether you prefer manual control and bleeding-edge packages or automated, reliable system configurations.